Hello guys, it's me Abdul Hannan. Hope all of you are doing well. So in this video we will cover another important topic. So today's topic is how to create survey. So I make sure that this video is not too much long and not too much detail because all the settings, all the customization is more similar for the like the forms we are also covered in the previous video. So if you don't watch the video, watch the form video so you have better understanding how to create, customize all the things. For the general information in the form we have almost 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 fields, but in the survey we have multiple pages like 1 2 3 4 in which we can collect multiple data of the leads, like we are general analysis of any service of the public, and we can submit the survey to the general public and get their interest, and on that interest we can make the decision. Okay, such type of analysis we can do through the surveys. So let's see how we can create the form inside the GoHighLevel and add the form inside your funnel. So all the things similar for like the forms, but there are still little bit different. So let's start the survey. You have to go to the survey in the sites of the GoHighLevel, click on add survey. Similarly you can create the folder and or add all the survey inside that folder. Click from start from the scratch or the template, you can select the template, but for now we can start from the scratch. So click on create and the next. So this is the first interface when you are logging into your survey builder, and I think this is already same, and I'm covering each and everything in detail in our form builder video. Okay, so quickly see how we can create the survey. So in the survey you can understand that we have multiple pages. Okay, so in the first page we can say that we need the first name, we need the last name, we need the date of birth of and the phone number. Okay, so delete this terms and condition, and for click here you can add the slide. Okay, for now we need the country. Just you have to click and drag the postal code and the organization and the website of the leads if the leads have, and you can select and add single drop down for such option, like select your gender, male, female, either rather not to say, and you have the radio select your age group for 12 to 10, 10 to 20 or 20 to 30, 40 to 50. It's depend on what you're building and what you need and what you have to grab the information from the lead. Okay, so all these elements are same, you can use checkbox. Okay, so next we have the text option, the sources, terms and conditions, the scores, and the file upload if you want to lead to upload the file image. Okay, so quickly see the add object field. All the fields is same inside the form, like single line, multi-line, text box, all the fields are same. So this is how I emphasize you to watch the form builder video. So I don't want to waste your time, you just have to understand the critical thinking, and then next is the settings. Click here, click here. So all the setting is same according to our form builder, and this is the style option. You can select it, proceed. So the difference is that means that in which one question at a time or the many at a time. Means in the first slide you have 5 questions and you want to show the leads one question at a time. So when the lead entered the first question, then you want to enter the second, give them the second question. So you can select this like one question at a time or the many at a time. Proceed, and the next similar input line, weight, field spacing, all the customization is same according to the form. Next we have theme. We can select the theme according to your business, according to your theme, according to your requirement, needs and the design. You can go to the advanced, select each and everything like input field, like label, short label, placeholder, custom css if you want to add some styling effect that is not present inside the builder. But I think this is also important, we are cover this inside in our upcoming videos in which we are covering the code element. Okay, so this is the placeholder similar for the form, and the short label and the label and the input field all are same. So the difference is that we have multiple slides. So in the bottom we can see the submit option, the previous option in the last slide, in the next or the previous, and this on the first slide we have the next option. We can set to the next, and add more slide. If you want to change the slide setting, click here, and then you can set the customization, like if the lead enter the phone number, then what happen. If the lead, let's say that the setting, slide 1, if the lead entered the phone number, then jump to slide 2 or 3. If they fill out the slide 1, go to the slide 3. We don't need them to fill out the slide 2 because slide 1 is a main information, main source of information. So we can do this from here. And the next, you can see we have integrate option, similar for like the forms. We have embed code, and you can share the embed code with the client. If they have website outside of the GoHighLevel environment, then definitely this will be used. And the next, this is for the clone, like clone mean duplicate, exactly copy, click here. Now you can clone it and delete this for now. Okay, so next you have setting. In this setting you can select the message on submit, we appreciate your feedback, thank you. You can customize it according to your page. You can also create the thank you page of your funnel. Mostly we can create the thank you page for you of mostly we can create the thank you page for our survey on the funnel. Like on the first page they will fill the survey and they will go to the booking page, either thank you page. Okay, and you can also adjust the message styling, like background, weight, corner radius, each and everything from here, but skip it. And if you can create the page, then add the page in the funnel step, like on the first page the main funnel, and the second is thank you or the calendar booking page. And this is some Facebook pixel event, skip it for now. And this is some advanced setting survey. And next, for the submission, you can see all the leads that is fill out this survey, like 5 lead submit this survey or fill the details. You can easily track each and everything from here. You can go to the manage column, you can select the date, you can export all the data from here into CSV and use the data anywhere in the CRM according to your policy, according to your needs and the demand. But make sure that the leads data is to be sensitive, to you don't misuse with the leads or the client data. Okay, so go back to the edit settings. And so yeah, that's it. I think I have covered each and everything already inside the form builder. So if you want to see the form video, I am adding the link in the upside of the video, so you can watch this video and understand how to customize each and everything. And all the settings are same according to the all the settings are same in the form according to the all the settings are same in the survey according to the form. So the main thing is that you have to understand the business needs, because mostly the client don't understand what they have to use, what their business demand. So in such businesses where the survey is demanded, you have to create the survey, and where the form is demanded, you have to create the form. So both are used on the needs and the demand. You have to understand the psyche of your business, understand the psyche of your client business. So first you have to understand this, then you can create the things and customize each and everything. So I hope this video finds you well, and this is very helpful for you, and you can easily now create the survey custom fields. And if you like the video, subscribe the channel, share the video with your friend. And this is the right time to learn GoHighLevel, because this is the big skill that you can learn and earn more money in 2026. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.